We're back now with some food for thought. Consider the fact that our country throws out an estimated $165 billion worth of food every year. Much of it still perfectly good, according to a recent study. That's the idea behind a new grocery store that will open in June. It's called the Daily Table, and it will sell deeply discounted foods that have recently reached their expiration date. NBC's Miguel Almaguer has our report.
Shopping for a healthy meal, single mom Davine Bourgeois is at the food bank looking for affordable groceries just past their prime.
So what? If it's a day or two old or 3 days past due, it's still very much edible. I think we can lift this.
Bourgeois is exactly the customer Doug Rao is looking for. This summer, the former president of Trader Joe's will open a new grocery store that sells expired food for pennies on the dollar.
There's a lot of food out there that is wholesome and healthy that is just being disposed.
Rao says he'll offer fresh produce.
This is what I'm looking for. Use either as ingredients or to be able to sell
perfectly good dairy.
Here's a fat-free milk.
And most other grocery store products at deep, deep discounts.
Grocers receive a lot of product that is perfectly sound, that has what's called a sell-by date or a best-by date. They pull that off the shelf right at the day. Some do it several days before, and it's being tossed, and that's a crime.
According to a recent study, 40% of food produced in this country is dumped in the trash every year. $165 billion worth of edible food tossed out.
Those date labels you see on food, sell by, use by, they are actually not federally regulated, and they're not meant to indicate safety.
With that in mind, on this lot outside Boston, Rao will open the Daily Table. His nonprofit store will collect, then sell what other grocers won't. The Daily Table, which will also prepare hot meals, knows its concept may be difficult for some to swallow.
I go by that sell-by date.
You got to think of the health costs, too.
But Rao believes his new store selling old food will have a long shelf life that just may surprise you. Miguel Almaguer, NBC News, Los Angeles.